Hey, what's up guys? It's Lucas. So in this video I'm going to be talking about my Samsung 4K 75-inch TV, and this should work with any Samsung TV that you have that has Wi-Fi Wi-Fi connectivity issues. I don't know. I bought this TV a couple months ago, and ever since I bought it, I've literally had nothing but Wi-Fi connection problems. And I run Comcast Xfinity. I have literally 40 little devices surrounding the house that all connect to the Xfinity F1 or P1 router, whatever it's called. And they have no problem. And they have little indicator lights that say, yeah, we have internet. But when I turn my TV on, it'll say no internet. And so that left me completely baffled. And then I have another Samsung 49-inch TV in the master bedroom. And that too would have the exact same problem, where no matter what you did, you could not get it to stay connected to the internet. Or if it was connected, it would cut out sometimes halfway into watching whatever you're watching. So this is a surefire fix to said problem. And I'm just going to show you real quick how it's done. All right, I'll be right back in the next little clip. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Samsung TV. You're just going to go ahead and power it on. And then if it is connected, it should just immediately power up the last thing you're watching. I'm a house dad now, so I watch this old house. It will connect to your Samsung account and do everything correctly. This is how it should work time and time again. But I would continuously turn on the TV, have no internet. So after researching different forums online and multiple different people saying, you know, we have the fix or whatever, I finally realized that one of the things I kept hearing was, if you have something that's connected to the internet that's close to your TV, that could potentially cause this problem. So what do I have that's close to the TV? Well, I have something literally in the back of the TV, and it is the Amazon Fire TV stick. And that thing is connected to the internet. Well, right now it's not. So what you have to do, stop. I got little dogs. Very loud little dogs. You go into your settings, you go down into your network, and then you're going to go into your network, and mine is somehow connected to Xfinity. So that is my go-to network. That's the one I use, and I have disabled it so it's not able to connect to my Xfinity router. And in doing so, I have basically fixed my TV. So now I have full internet on the TV. I've not had, this is day 3, and I've not had a single connective Wi-Fi issue since I did this. So just a heads up, if you have a Chromecast, Apple TV, anything Pippa, if you have anything plugged in to your TV and you're trying to just use your main hub here that's built into the TV, then you're going to want to unplug everything. And I mean, it really sucks, because you're thinking, you know, maybe you want to have your Fire TV stick plugged in and you want to run it through that, whatever. The only benefit that you're going to get from using the built-in apps is that when there is an option to go, if you have a 4K TV, HDR+, like this TV is, you will automatically get those switched on. Whereas if you go through the Fire Stick, you're gonna be basically limited to whatever the Fire Stick is or whatever the device is. So if you have a 4K device, then you will be able to get 4K, but you may not have HDR, and if you have HDR, you may not have HDR plus. So the TV's apps are going to provide you with so much more precise content that's tailored to this TV. So that's why, at least for right now, while this TV is still new, I will be only using the built-in apps on the TV. So that is the Samsung Wi-Fi issue problem video. I hope this helped you. I spent forever looking online and found nothing that was as direct as this. So I do hope this helps alleviate some of your problems. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.